bwana mukali hawakujua kumbe na sisi wakali na sisi wakali turi minore turi mibihanganye iduhiganwa reka reka turabarusha 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 cyane twabahaye integuzi bagira ngo no gusenga tugabana batabazi none ko tuje kandi tuje twivuga barajya ko twaje nibahigabe twaje barajya ko twaje barajya ko twaje nibahigabe twaje barajya ko twaje winners leaders in the game. Yeah, we're here to say the best period. Niba utabyumva ufite ubwenge wahunga niwe tambika turakugonga. We are a train, get off the rail. Tell everyone to clear the way. Twabahaye integuzi bagira ngo no gusenga tugabana batabazi none ko tuje kandi tuje twivuga barajya ko twaje nibahigabe twaje barajya ko twaje barajya ko twaje nibahigabe twaje barajya ko twaje
Hi guys, welcome to another beautiful session. Kindly, before we all join, I would love to ask the DJ to replay the song. It was one amazing one before we do all the introductions. So let's have the song once more. Just a little part, we get the feel of it. It's Friday. It's Friday. We need people to be happy. We need people to be happy. So,
Yes,
DJ,
on it, sir.
thank you.
While we play the music, guys, call your peers. We are live. We don't want them to miss out on any of the special stuff we have for you here today. So we're playing the music once again, giving you time to reach out. Oh, sorry, my bad. I mean, DJ is fumbling today, or not?
bazanye ibishenzi iby'imusozi nabyo bibwiye ko ari bwana mukali bwana mukali hawakujua kumbe na sisi wakali na sisi wakali turi minore turi mibihanganye iduhiganwa reka reka turabarusha 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 cyane twabahaye integuzi bagira ngo no gusenga tugabana batabazi none ko tuje kandi tuje twivuga barajya ko twaje nibahigabe twaje barajya ko twaje the gate. Yeah, we're here to say the past period. Niba utabyumva ufite ubwenge wahunga, niwitambika turakugonga. We are a train, get off the rail. Tell everyone to clear the way. Twabahaye integuza, bagira ngo ntugushenga. Tugabana abatabazi, none ko tuje kandi tuje twivuga. Barajya ko twaje, nibayigame twaje. Barajya ko twaje, barajya ko twaje, nibayigame twaje. Barajya ko twaje.
Hey guys, welcome to yet another beautiful session. We are here to do the Python reflection session. This is where we want you guys to be assured of you are in a good place. Most of you are here asking a lot of questions in our PPL, and now here we want us to reflect on all of that, how you onboarded, how you are right now. Yeah, and our host is none other than me, John Washira, a program delivery support with the data team. Welcome to this session, and we are happy that you've reached halfway your your track. It's supposed to go for like 9 months or something. Yeah, it's supposed to be 9 months, and you're on week 4. So congratulations, a huge congratulations to you guys. You're on the 50% mark, and you've reached the halfway. 4 weeks down, you've conquered the fundamentals and built solid foundations in Python programming. 4 weeks to go, the exciting journey continues with advanced concepts and real-world applications ahead. Take a moment to appreciate yourself for an amazing journey so far and where you're headed. So I want now to showcase today's journey, whereby you're going to start with a check-in. Thank you. We are going to start with a check-in, then we go to guided reflection, whereby you are going to get one of our TMs walking us through. It's 9 weeks. Oh yeah, it's 9 weeks. I said months. I'm sorry. We are from a certain place. People are showing their portfolios, and they got me thinking that this thing we are here for like years. We've seen people with amazing portfolios. Yeah, so sorry about that. I've been told it's 9 weeks, not 9 months. Yeah. It's 9 weeks. Yeah. So I'm saying we are going to have a guided reflection with one of our TMs. Guided moments to celebrate achievement and identify growth areas from the past weeks. We are going to have a learner spotlight, having one of our own, talking about Python and what they've gone through. Then we're going to have a Python challenge, whereby we are going to make sure we test your knowledge a bit. These are very easy questions here and there, and also a sneak peek into what's next. We get to show you what's coming in, what you're supposed to be prepared for, and also the last part will be a Q&A part, and then we wrap up. So if you have any questions, you can always drop them into our Q&A section, so that they don't get mixed up with people on the chat. And so as we go to the check-in, I want to welcome you guys right now, and kindly on the chat also text where you're let you tell us where you're joining us from. We need to know if at all we have people from South Africa, we have people from Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Malawi, Morocco, Egypt. Yeah, so kindly in the chat, tell us where you're from. And it's check-in time. I want you guys to tell me, how are you feeling about Python so far? How are you feeling about Python so far? It's been 4 amazing weeks, 4 amazing weeks. How are you feeling? Yeah, I can see someone saying confidence. Yeah, you've written with confidence there, and you've said you're from Nigeria. So confidence is saying that they're from Nigeria. I don't know. Don't we have any other person? Someone is from Africa. Hallelujah. Yeah, we have, when you go to states, they will always think that Africa is a country in, I don't know, is Africa a country in Africa or something of that sort? Yeah, so we have someone from there who is from Africa. We have another one from the world. Oh my goodness. Someone else from Kenya. We have from Nigeria. Yeah, so kindly, even as you tell us where you're from, let us know, how are you feeling so far about Python? How are you feeling about Python? Someone is from planet Earth. James from Kenya was lost a bit in the beginning, but now I'm on track. Thank you, Chris, saying nicely. Awesome, awesome. That is a good thing to hear. Yeah, someone else. We need to know, how are you feeling? How are you feeling? How are you feeling about Python? Yeah, how are you feeling about Python? Guys, we need this session to be as interactive as possible. We need to hear your input. We need to, hear from you guys, so that also even the person who's going to come and speak to you, they're going to also know that we already have an audience and we have people who are ready to listen. Nelly is saying they're feeling good. Python code is confusing, especially the sort recursion algorithm search. Don't you worry, you're in the right place. That's why we have this. That's why we have these sessions. Yeah, it's good. I have been a bit behind, but I'm working on catching up. Awesome, Joyce Jerry. You're going to catch up. We are rooting for you, and we have faith in you. I have been left back, but slowly catching up. Most of you guys are slowly catching up. What's up with Python? What's up with Python? Yeah, it's a bit overwhelming. Oh, sorry, but yeah, we know you're going to get there. You're going to get there. We're on the half. We're on the halfway. So yeah, you're good. You'll get there. Yeah. So someone else is saying Python is very challenging and confusing. I'm a bit behind. Did I read that? Or oh, this is someone else. Sakwa Malcolm. Don't you worry. That's why we have this session. Yeah, and because of time, I would like us to go into the next session, into the next part, whereby we welcome the functions part. Was really tough on me. Don't you worry. That's why we are here. That's why we are here. It coincided with a major taxing project. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so we want to go to the next part. And for this, I want all of you to welcome the one and only, one of the biggest data scientists we have in this world, a technical mentor, and one person who some of these people, they really do talk with confidence. I don't know if it is with confidence or in confidence. He is very slow. I read the Bible somewhere that God is slow to anger, but this one is always slow to speak. He articulates his words very nicely, and you'll never tell him that he's fast on anything. So drum rolls, please, for one and only Buhari Shehu. Drum rolls, drum rolls. You guys, I can't even see you putting those. Thank you. We need to see those reactions. Yes. So Buhari, welcome to the stage.
All right, thank you, Atira.
Welcome.
Welcome all. I can see Share going with a lot of drums. I think it's better you start opening drum shop with this lot of drums. Nice one. Okay, so are you going to share it, or should I share from my end?
Please share from your end. I'm sure the listeners are looking forward to this reflection, because I've seen all of them saying challenging. What is challenging? Please let us know.
All right. So before we dive right in, what is one concept that felt tricky at first but now makes sense? Can we answer this in the chat? Yes, I will also mention my own, but after seeing your own. Just like trying to be wise. All right. Anyone? What is one thing? One Python concept that felt tricky at first, but now makes sense. Python functions. Okay. I like functions. They are just like mathematical formulas. Yes, they help you to just achieve your tasks. Insertion sort. Okay. This is headache. I think almost all those algorithms, they are headache, but I know you can wrap your head around them. Args and keyword argument, that's arguments and keyword arguments. Okay. That's by James. I think these are interesting ones, but I like the fact that now you like them. All right. So as for me, one of the concepts is recursive functions. So maybe I'm together with Sakwa that is saying Python functions. So all of those Python functions, I like them. But when it comes to recursive function, like when function is calling function inside another function, I try to struggle with that, but it's making sense now because I can see some of the applications, right? All right, so your learning journey so far, well, right after your professional foundations, you dive straight into data analytics, where you spent the last 14 weeks over 4 sprints, and you are successful, you conquered it. Congratulations. Then the Python track. So for the Python track, we have 8 weeks, or you can approximate it to 9 weeks. So over these 9 weeks, you are expected to learn the basics of Python and also how to apply them. Where do you go from Python? It's either you go for machine learning or you go for data engineering, right? All right, but now we are in Python track. All right. So the journey so far, let me just ask this. How many assessments have you submitted so far? Can you help me in the chat? Let me see. Solomon is saying someone remove the echo. I don't know why am I having echo in my calls.
No, I can't hear any echo.
Okay.
Solomon, it can be on your end.
Oh, I see Leko is saying the movie Inception made it easy for me to understand the question. Okay. That's nice one. And I think another concept that gave me a headache is regular expressions, right? Yes, regular expressions, but like when you look at it closely, you see that it makes sense. Okay, Isaac is saying 3. Confidence is so confident in 4 and 3 also. Yes, Chioma, we are seeing you. Hello to you also. Chioma said 4. Welcome. I think we can give her a round of applause. Anyone with 4 again? So how many of you, how many are you expected to submit? You are expected to submit data structures code challenge. You are also expected to submit loops and functions code challenge. Then after that, you are to submit sort recursive function. You can imagine the one I'm just complaining. And the object-oriented programming MCQ. Then the integrated project under Imagine Locus Agriculture. So how many? 4 in total. All right. So what next after these 4? So we consider these first 4 as the basics. Then what next is, so we have seen week 1 to 4, that's the basics. Now we are going to the core application of this, where you apply the basics to solve real problems. So the first 4, I mentioned them. And the next 4, we have the integrated project, understanding and trusting our data. Then we dive into statistics with Python, we know that the whole machine learning, the whole data analytics, everything is just statistics that we give another name. All right, so we also have integrated project validating our data code challenge. Then after that, you have the Python exam, which is part 1 and part 2. So at this juncture, I will say congratulations to you. And I would also like to appreciate yourself on this call. So how do you appreciate yourself? Maybe you can react with any of the emojis that you think will help you in congratulating yourself. It's not easy. So please celebrate this progress. Take a moment to look back at where you started. Think about the skills you have gained and the challenges you have overcome. Because progress, no matter how small, is proof that your effort matters, right? So it's not easy. Even those that submitted to, it's not easy. So please recognize yourself. Oh, okay, maybe you can recognize your accomplishment on the chat if the reaction buttons are not available. All right. So we are approaching week 5. There are a total of 9 assessments. To graduate, you need to pass at least 7 of them. All right. So if you pass 4, you need 3 more to acquire this certification and proceed either to ML or DE. All right. At this juncture, I'll pass it back to John to spotlight some of our amazing learners. Back to you, John.
Thank you for that. That was it was awesome. And right now, let me give it to one of the most beautiful persons here, Naomi. How are you, Naomi? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. Thank you for
Oh,
the compliment. So, sorry, I wasn't following with my slide deck, but don't worry, guys, I'm here. So, we are moving on to the learner spotlight, right? Many of you have said that you have completed 3 assignments, you have completed 4 assignments. You know, this session is for us to reflect on how it has been since the start of the Python. I know some of you said it's challenging. It's challenging, but you're doing it, right? You're doing it. You submitted 3 assignments, you're on track, you've submitted 4 assignments. And interestingly, you only need like 3 or 4 to go. So if you keep up with the pace you are going at right now, before you know it, you've completed the track and you are well on your way into the machine learning or data engineering track. So you guys have to give yourself you guys have to give yourself kudos honestly because you are doing great. Python might seem very hard right now, right? It might seem very hard, or when a new content comes out, you are like, what is this? Can I even go through it? But you are doing it, and you get that aha moment while going into it. Kudos to Chioma for finishing for. You said you want Cold Stone ice cream. Ha! I don't know. I don't know about that, but we will give you ice cream on this call. Please, guys, help give Chioma ice cream. Put the ice cream emoji in the chat so that she can have her ice cream. Yes. So now we're moving on into the learner spotlight, right? Because we want to spotlight you. We want you guys to speak. You guys have been too quiet for my liking. Honestly, you've been too quiet for my liking. So better start preparing yourself. Because I would call you at random to share your experience, how it has been. Wow. Confidence gave Choma 3 flavors. Wow. Why you gave Choma 1 flavor? Shall we give her a whole Bazia to start a business with? Yeah. So you guys start preparing yourself because I will call you guys at random if you don't respond to me. I don't like quiet sessions, right? I like for us to interact. Okay? If you can't interact with me through your voice, at least interact with me in the chat, right? So now, before we move into, like I said, prepare your mind because I will soon call you. Before I call you, I'd like for you to hear from an alumni, right, who has been through this journey. Just hear how the experience has been for her and how you are, maybe get tips on how you're gonna navigate what you are getting into or what you are moving into, right now. So let's hear from our alumni. Hopefully, my internet does not fumble, and it didn't. God is good. So let's get right into it.
Hello, my name is Victoria Dianosten. I am a data science learner with ALX. The data science ALX program is about equipping individuals with the requisite knowledge for extracting meaningful insights from data and providing value. The aspect of the data science program that has benefited me the most is the emphasis on gaining practical insights, the assignments that I've been able to work on, and the projects that I've been able to build. So far, I've gained confidence working with data and machine learning algorithms. ALX, through the Foundations program, equips us with knowledge on how to learn. You learn to learn. You learn to research things. The instructions that are provided for each concept is easy to follow, very easy to follow, such that even if you do not have prior knowledge of anything, you are able to follow through. The community is solid. ALX emphasizes peer learning and community learning. So with all of that in place, you're always able to have someone to talk to, someone to reach out to share your ideas or brainstorm. Knowing the sense that the concepts in depth are quite advanced. So with those advanced concepts, it no longer becomes difficult because you already know the processes to take to solve any kind of problem that comes your way. I have more confidence now than ever before because with what I have learned, I know that I know the kind of value that I bring. I know how to better communicate my data knowledge. I know how to better communicate my value, right? So I have learned confidence, I have learned communication, I have learned problem solving. ALX is a community that supports you within the program and after your program. It has been solid for me. The handholding culture for me is next to none that I've ever seen before. And that's something that I'm very happy about. I can reach out to my facilitators and they would point me to the right person if they are not the ones in position to solve my problem at a particular point in time. Before I started ALX, I was looking for a program that would give me the kind of structure that ALX provides. Right now, ALX has even outdone my expectations. So ALX is somewhere to be. ALX is the program to take. Whatever program it is that you choose to take, just know that you have a community that's backing you up, that will hold your hands through whatever you need to do and would open you up more than you ever imagined. I would recommend the ALX data science program 200% and over.
You guys, you've heard from someone, right? She has detailed how her learning has been, and we'd like for you to also give back, right? And like I said, now it's your chance to speak, right? We've heard from her, and now I want to hear from you guys. Because like I said, I don't like quiet, um, a quiet call. Why isn't this thing moving for me? Hey, it wants us to hear from her again. So I don't like a quiet call. I will first call on Chioma. Chioma, you're the first person I'll call because you're doing great, right? 4 out of 4. That's actually really great. That means that you're even closer to completing this course, and we wish you a very smooth journey, right? So now I'd like to ask, what has been your proudest moment in Python so far? Please raise up your hand. I will give you the room to share because I want to hear your voice. Eh? I want to hear your voice, and then you can thank the people that gave you ice cream. Not sure I can hear
Hello.
you. Okay, hi Choma, I can hear you now.
Hi, good afternoon from Nigeria.
Good afternoon. So please
Good
share.
afternoon.
Yeah, go
Okay,
ahead.
you asked a question. I didn't get it. Please,
Yeah,
can
what
you
has
ask?
Yeah, what has been your proudest moment in Python so far? Like what? Yeah.
My proudest moment would be let's see. Well, first, my proudest moment in Python would be actually finishing the DA program, then transitioning to Python. That one I was really happy that I made it because God, that data analytics, Jesus, that one it was like that program was after me somehow. But I thank God I finished that and I transitioned successfully to Python. And my proudest moments for Python will be when we learned that Lambert, because that's for me that was a bit easy because of the mathematical equations there. So it was a bit, and it was easy and um kind of simple to understand because it's just straightforward. One line, you've gotten your answer. You've just been including the functions. I mean the Lambda code and functions, and it's just straightforward. But I really enjoyed that module. But that would be for me. That would be my proudest moment because this Python program, it has not been easy. That is the truth. Sometimes I understand, sometimes I don't understand. Sometimes I have to go to other, like online, for more explanation so that I can understand because ALX, you guys are really trying, but sometimes you guys are trying to like maybe confuse me the more with your English. So I really get to go to source for other materials so that I can understand better. And now for this week assessments, this one is just the toughest of them all. This one was this one should I spent 2 days. 2 days, and the thing, do you know the kind of frustration I felt for this week assessment was you see yourself, okay, you're making headways, then you try to run the codes, the thing will just send back error to you, or if it's error self, it's better because the error will tell you where you're at fault. But there was a thing that happened to me. Instead of the thing to be giving me error, it wasn't giving me anything. It was like I ran the code, it worked, but there's nothing. It's supposed to give me something back. I did that for like 5 times, nothing happened. I just switched off everything and I just went outside because at that point I was losing it. I was becoming very angry because I was rechecking the codes and everything. There was no mistake from what I thought. There was no mistake. So I was now wondering what was happening to the thing I was doing. At that point, I became so frustrated and so tired. But I thank God for the support group. Yes, there's this WhatsApp support group for data analytics and data science, data engineering that I am. So they really helped a lot. So I'm happy to be part of that group. So this has been my journey so far in the Python track.
Wow, thank you so much for sharing, Chioma. I see Buhari has something to say, I think, regarding that um challenge that you had. Please go ahead, Buhari.
Okay, the problem you said you have, is it when you upload it on Athena or when you run the notebook?
When I was running the notebook, this week's challenge, I think it was the second challenge 2, that was supposed to give me the type of soil and their numbers. So I did it using the examples from the modules. Instead of me, I was even praying for the code to give me error, because at that point I wanted to see where I was like at fault, but I was not seeing anything. You know, when you know there are some codes you run, they won't give you anything, but it worked. It will now, then there's a like, if you will now have to go to another cell to type in something so that it will not bring out the result of that previous code you ran. But this one is not like that, because I did everything. There was print there because I put print because I wanted to see what I did. I did not see anything. I was just pressing run. The thing will just take me to the next cell, code cell. Nothing will come out. So at a point I thought, maybe this was how this question was supposed to be. Then I now went to code challenge 3, which now gave me result. I was now like, okay, this one, that challenge 2 is wrong. I haven't really gotten the answer. And I spent close to 1 hour, 1 hour plus. That one, God, I was frustrated though. Oh. But at the end of the day, I got it. There was something I was doing wrong. I found out, I saw what I was doing wrong.
What was that?
There was that is the alphabets, the heading, you know, where they'll put deaf, so and so. So those ones was in cap letter, that is each word. So when I was now like trying to impute them into the code I was running, and I went to use small letters, which gave me problem. So it was a bit correct though, because the word was inside the table, but it was not in small letters, it was in capital letters. So instead of the thing to return error for me, it was not returning error. So that was when I now had to sit down and I started checking it one after the other. I knew that, okay, this ones was supposed to be in their first letters, was supposed to be in capital letters. Then there was another one I made mistake. I went to put the first letter in capital letter instead of small letter. So that was where my mistake was. But I thought that Jupyter was supposed to like send me an error message to pinpoint the place I made a mistake, but it did not. So I was wondering why. Because assuming it did, I would not have wasted so much time on that part.
I think around
at a point, I thought maybe I overworked the Jupyter, that it was even tired.
I think another ice cream for Chioma. Nice one. Over to you, Naomi.
Thank you. Chioma, your experience is just so interesting listening to you talk about it, honestly. And then you find out that it was just one syntax error that caused all your headache for 2 days.
Yes. You know how frustrating that can be. You think you just one little thing that caused your error.
It's very interesting. I want to ask, as our only learner that signified that you've completed all 4 assignments, right? How do you stay consistent, right? How did you ensure that you were staying on track and active in the course?
Oh, how I stay consistent is, the truth is, if I think of the work I've put in from professional foundation, as in, I would not want to let myself give up, because from professional foundation, it's like 7 months. I put in a lot of work, a lot. Plus the finance. No, now. Those 2 things alone are enough motivation for me. As in, even at a point, if I don't meet up with the deadline is always on Tuesday. So as in, my brain is set to know that Tuesday, this is the deadline. I would just be so uncomfortable. I don't mind reading through the night to meet up, because I don't want to hear anything that, okay, this one happened, I could not submit, and I have to go and write letter to fresh desk or the or Leah for support. I don't want to go through that process because I'm already passing through a lot. I don't want to add more to my work. So that is how I just stay. And I also believe that at the end of the day, something good will come out of all the work I've been doing. So I just have to stay positive because there's no room for negativity. There's no room at all.
Thank you so much for sharing, Choma. It's really, really, really great hearing you. And I totally understand you. After all the stress from professional foundations, you now want to be lagging behind. Like, let me just finish this thing once and for all. Let me commit to it. And I love your discipline. The fact that you don't feel comfortable when deadlines are there and you haven't gotten the job done is really, 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 really admirable. I can't lie. So, what advice will you give your peers that are on this call right now? Like, just from your own end, like, what do you think they should take from your experience so far?
Okay. The advice I will give to my peers is that they should believe in themselves because look at me, I'm the one that is trying to get that is in a program for data engineering. The trauma before if I see the months, I won't even try it because and I'm the one speaking up, trying to put myself out there. Me of before will not try it. I am a very shy person, very, very shy. I just like being in my own little space, no interruption. But because I wanted more for myself, so I just had to leave my space and my comfort zone to acquire more. So my um advice to my peers is that they should believe in themselves. That is just the first thing. You should believe in yourself first because you have to believe in yourself first so that others will see what you are doing and they will also believe in you. And you should also have like a support group because the truth is you cannot do this thing alone. At a point you will get frustrated. That is the truth. You will get so frustrated if you don't want to talk to the ALX support group. Your families are support groups. Like I'm a twin, so my sister, she's my own support group. When sometimes when this program gets tough and everything, or when I tried so hard to like get 100 in an assessment, and at the end of the day, I think that happened to me in DA. I worked so hard in that mouse, that MCQ. At the end of the day, I think I saw 70, I'll be 60, 60, 70. I wanted to die. This one pinned me. It the next thing I just screenshot the page and sent it to my sister. Say, see, after everything, see what I got. She was like, sorry, but you passed now. She above 50 is passed. I say, I passed. She say, sorry, but you passed. Don't worry. Next time you will. She's my backbone. She supports me a lot. So when I'm down, I talk to her. Then I also have the WhatsApp support group and the the e-hub. So there are many support groups on ALX that can help you because if you do this thing alone, I'm telling you the truth, you will get frustrated. You just frustrate yourself. So, and another advice is if you need help, it's good to ask for help. Don't keep quiet. I used to do that before, but I stopped because that during DA, I would just be working in my own little space. But when at a time it got really tough, I was not like, no, I cannot continue like this. So anytime I needed help, I asked. There are so many people out there that would love to help you and set you on the right track. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Choma. You heard it from Choma Live. No solo movements. Don't move alone or else you'll cry. I remember your DA, that SQL. Thank you so much, Chioma, for sharing. And it's really nice hearing your voice. Like I said, I really like interactive sessions like this where we get to communicate and we are not just using AI or we are not just in the chat. Thank you so much for sharing. And on this note, we will move on to the next segment, and that will be. Let me hand it back to John. John, choose who you want to do the next segment. Let's make it a surprise.
You said I have to roll the dice on this one. Okay, I think we can give Halima the next segment. Halima, can you hear me? Are you anywhere near this meet? Or you want us
Yes,
to
John.
bring? Awesome. How are you, Halima?
Doing fine, John. How are you doing too?
I'm doing great. Welcome.
Yeah, thanks. Thanks, John. Thanks, Naomi. Thanks, Shoma. Thanks, Buhari. Thank you all very much.
I think it's their first time meeting you, Halima. Please give a
Oh,
brief
okay. Hey, everyone. Hi, guys. Hi, our wonderful and beautiful learners. My name is Halima. I'm also the program delivery support person as well, just like John. And okay, on this segment, we are going to go straight into challenging ourselves. Let's just test our knowledge so far on the Python that we have learned, the concepts that we have learned in Python so far. So we just want to just some quick quiz, right? So that we'll see we just test our knowledge basically of the things that we have learned so far. So we'll know how well we know Python, right? So there's a link that's been shared with you in the link in the chat section, in the chat. So let's kindly click on the link and when the quiz starts, you just when the quiz starts, the questions will display. The questions will be shown on your screen, and when you see the question, just you have a timer to read the question, and then there's also another timer to answer the question. So yeah, it's going to be fun. I hope that we're going to have fun. I want us to be as interactive as possible. I want us to please click on the link and try to join. Yeah, please click on the link and try to join, guys, so that we can get started. Okay, so yeah, who is going to take the lead? Okay, so yeah, who's going to take the lead? Let's see who's going to take the lead.
I see that we are 16. We're more than 16 on this call, and only 16 learners joined. You guys, click the link. It's gonna be a fun game. Halima, over to you.
Okay, please let's join in, guys. Let's join. Don't worry, they are not tough questions that would make you shiver or have anxiety or something like that. They're just cool questions, just something to test your knowledge actually. And nobody's going to know.
Guys, give a thumbs up when you get the link. Let's know that you're there. We see only 1, 2 people now. You guys don't want to do this quiz.
Guys, please now join in so that we can have a fun session. These are just these questions. Don't worry, the questions are not, like I said, they are not to make you panic or something like that. They're just something to just pick your brains and see how well you know Python, right? So let's just click on the link and let's answer the questions. They are not tough questions. Are we ready? Please, let's dive in, please. Okay.
Maybe let me take over sharing.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm ready. So guys, your first question is here. Can you see? Okay. Please go ahead, answer the question. Oh, okay. It went by so fast. So fast. Somebody failed it. You guys. Okay. That's okay. That's fine. But I think you need to go back and revisit that concept. So let's see who is at the top of our leaderboard now. Who is at the top of our leaderboard? Aha. I see confidence. Confidence came into this quiz with confidence. You were the fastest. You're top of our leaderboard right now. Oh, what just happened? Okay. So let's move on to the next question. I feel like I glitched out a bit there. Boom. So we have 17 people ready for this. More people should join in. If you are, my colleagues will be sharing the link in the chat. Join in, join this fun quiz, and let's see who is gonna be top of the leaderboard.
People have
We'll
dropped
start.
off. From
Two
17, we
people
are
dropped off.
Come now. Why are you dropping off? They are not. Don't worry. Question one should not scare you. Don't worry. The questions they are cool questions. Don't worry. Please let's join you guys.
I think they want to start again and get everything.
Right. Okay.
Let's get into the next question. So guys, the faster you answer, the more points you get. Make sure to follow through. Which collection is you have 50 seconds, guys. Which collection is ordered and mutable?
Is it tuple? Is it list? Is it set? Or is it dict? What is your answer? Please lock in, guys. Let's know what your answer is.
Boom. You guys really need to go back to data structures. Your technical mentors will probably be shaking their heads right now. I guess you guys really you didn't lie about Python being challenging. But yeah, those 10 people that got it, kudos to you. Kudos. Let's see who is top of our leader. Is confidence still on top? Let's see. Let's see. No, confidence is not on top again. I've seen the future. Mr. Beast 254. I wonder who that is. Ray, you were fast, but Mr. Beast had more points. Confidence, you've dropped. You need to come back up. Oh. We are looking out for you. We are rooting for you. We are rooting for everybody, okay? I don't have a preferred person, okay? Okay. No preference here. Let's go on to the next question. How many of you are ready? All 15 are ready. Let's go into it. So like we said, the faster you answer, the more points you get, but make sure you are picking the right answer.
Yes. Is it list? Is it tuple, dictionary, or set?
Everybody answer this one fast.
Okay. Let's see our leaderboard.
Okay, let's go into it. But I'm sure you guys are taking note of the correct answer. It's dictionary. Dictionary uses key value pairs, not sets. And our top, kudos to our fastest, kudos to our top. And top of the leaderboard is still Mr. Beast, but Ray and Sketcher were fast. That's very nice. On to the next question. Halima, over to you. You're muted.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, our next question. Oops.
No, that's fast. Why do I feel like my computer is glitching? Oh, someone has joined.
I think mine as well.
Don't worry, I'll control. 16 players, one new person has joined. Welcome to the show. Welcome. Try your best to. That person ran away. Why do I feel like John is joining? Why do I feel like John Buhari joined? John joined. Buhari joined. Shegu joined.
There's no way we can actually confirm that, right? We can only just assume or speculate.
Yo, let's go into the next question.
What keyword defines a class? Do you have your answer already before the answers get revealed? Is it class? Is it object? Is it def? Or is it init?
I feel like not many people will get this one. It's OOP, right?
Yeah, actually, object-oriented programming. Yeah, actually.
10 people. 10 people are
And our
consistent.
answer is class. So, I mean, let's see how many people actually got it right fastest, the fastest finger.
Before we go there, I think this was a trick question, no? Because what defines a class? And then the answer is class.
It's also class. So some people be like, should it be class? It shouldn't be class again, right?
Very tricky. So let's see who is on the leaderboard. Whoa. Mr. Beast is still top. Is it where? Oh, wait, no.
Ray.
I missed it.
Yeah.
I got it wrong. It's
I
Ray.
think Ray actually stopping the chat right now. Ray took over.
I suspect that Ray is Buhari's middle name. Let's go on to the next one. Oh, more players have joined. Let's go.
Okay, it's getting interesting. Wow, what interesting.
Why are you people joining and leaving now? We are here for you. Let's go.
The first parameter of instance methods is usually named. Is it this? Is it self? Is it object? Is it CL?
Halima, guess your answer. Let me guess mine. Let's see who gets it.
Okay, I've guessed my answer. Am I supposed to say it?
You want to keep it so that when the correct one comes, you say yes. So the answer is self, guys.
My answer was actually self, but how will I defend that right now?
The answer is self, guys. And if you are answering this quiz and you are paying attention to what me and Halima are saying, don't let us mislead you, okay?
Please just do what your heart says. Please don't listen to us.
So let's look at the leaderboard. Guess who is on top, Halima?
I'm guessing Ray again, actually. Ray is still leading. Ray.
Still leading. Confidence.
Ray is the fastest.
Confidence. I guess.
Confidence, you can still do this. You can still do this, confidence. You can still do this.
Confidence. In fact, we're waiting for you. You can still be number one.
You can do it. You can do it.
Let's go to the next question. Oh, another person.
19 players. Interesting.
Let's go.
Oh, someone says I'm rooting for Missy. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that John says I'm rooting for Missy. What method is called when an object is created? Is it create? Is it constructor? Is it start? Is it init? Now, I'm guessing the answer. My answer I'm looking at is init. I'm not sure.
Yeah, looking at it.
Init. I'm looking at it. Let's see init. I'm not sure. Init. Let's see our answer.
It is the answer. You guys, I'm sure you are taking note of the one you go back to check. That's good. So let's see what our leaderboard says. Ray did not sleep up, oh. Halima.
Ray is not even yet to play. He's not yet, he or she's not yet to joke.
Confidence has gone up. You see, confidence.
Oh, confidence. You are doing it. Yes. Keep on doing it. Keep on trying.
Somebody is rooting for Missy. Yeah, Missy.
Everyone is rooting for Missy.
Missy, you can
do the dog icon. I mean the dog profile.
Let's go to the next one. We are getting to the end of our quiz. Who is going to be top? Is it going to
be our winner?
Are we going to have a dark horse? Let's see.
What does def.add method return by default?
Def.add method. Halima, you are a data scientist. You even call it.
Everybody's a data scientist. What's it, guys? Is it first 3 rows? Oh, our answer is in the first 5 rows.
I know why you guys didn't get this. You've not gotten to this part of the content, have you? Let me see what you're saying in the chat. Have you guys this particular question?
Oh, Solomon is saying no one is mentioning me. Oh, what's your name, Solomon, so that we can root for you too?
You know what, Solomon, we're rooting for everybody, yeah?
Everyone, actually.
Let's see what the leaderboard is saying now. Solomon, we are looking for you.
Oh, Solomon is actually Solomon. Oh, okay. Oh, Solomon. Solomon actually.
Solomon has
Oh,
passed PC. John
hey.
is wrong. Go.
Solomon has gone up the ladder. Congrats, Solomon. I'm rooting for you as well.
I don't know, Ray. When will you sleep up, eh? When
Mr.
will you
Beast,
sleep
what
up
is
and
going
allow
on?
confidence and Solomon to reach the top, please? Mr. Beast, when will you guys sleep up, eh? Are you people using Google?
I
Let's go to
think
the
Mr.
next
Beast
one.
has decided to let others win right now because he or she was actually topping initially. So right now, maybe they feel like, you know what, let others just win.
John said he's rooting for human. I'm rooting for human too. Let's go.
Our
So
ninth
this is the
question.
second to the last question, yeah.
Which function reads a CSV file? Is it pd.load CSV, pd.read underscore CSV, pd.csv underscore read, or pd.open underscore CSV? What is your answer?
What is your answer? Let's see. This one seems like it was easy. Almost everyone got it. Too
This one is
easy.
tricky because someone might have picked pd.csv underscore read because they look
Someone
alike.
picked it too. That's why it's good to read the questions well. So
Yeah.
what's our leaderboard saying? Who is on top? Mr. Beast has fallen. I've seen it.
Oops, Mr. Beast.
Oh no,
Hmm.
wait, no,
Mr.
wait.
Beast
He stacked up
is
points.
still
So
rare actually.
John, human has left the leaderboard. Your prediction is wrong, oh.
Missy and Solomon, we're still rooting for you actually. It's not too late.
It's not too late. Confidence. Mr. Beast had network
Okay,
issues.
network issues. No,
I
Mr. Beast
suspect
is
you
actually
are.
next actually.
I
Because
suspect you are Mr. Beast and Buhari is Ray, right? And you
they are
had
revealing
network.
themselves.
Let's see our last question, guys. Okay, everybody join in. Okay, Shegun is not Mr. Beast. I believe you, Shegun. I believe you.
Well, our 10 questions, guys. The last question.
Last question. Let's see. Let's get into it.
Which method shows summary statistics of numeric columns? This question is looking like.
Yeah,
Is it
I don't
described
think I will
summary
get it
stats?
on. I feel like it's guesswork people will do here.
Yeah, right. I'm guessing so as well. What's your own pick? I'm picking summary. I'm just going for summary.
Halima, you failed it because the answer is
Describe.
like I said, it was guesswork. The answers are so balanced, kind of balanced. Okay, no, it's not balanced, no. But the wrong answers were quite balanced. But yeah, thank you guys. And drum rolls, please. Who is our winner? Who is our winner? And our winner is Ray.
Ray with
Ray, I'm not surprised.
9,152 points.
I totally predicted it, yes.
Oh,
Even
Missy and human had internet issues. Okay.
John is giving excuses. He said you
John till the very end, he still believed in them. The end.
Okay. Solomon is saying he's a marathon runner, not a sprinter. If we had 50 questions, he will show everybody fire. So congratulations, Ray.
Congrats, Ray.
Give Ray his or her roses in the chat, right? Because I see his picture here is a rose. So please put Renish Amondi. Oh, that's you. Congrats, Renish. Please give Renish his flowers. I don't know. Renish, would you like to say anything as the winner of this quiz? Just unmute and just take the spotlight, just share how you're feeling. You can thank your mother, you can thank your father, you can thank me, just give that celebratory speech. You know how footballers do it when they call them up for the podium.
Let's put a voice to the name.
Thank you, guys.
Anonymous name.
Really, women who lead. Come on. Reddish, we didn't hear you well. Please unmute and just give a short 1 word, 2 word speech.
Well, all I can say is thank you, and it was a nice experience.
Oh, thank you. Shagun has given you your cash prize in the chat, so enjoy the money. Spend it well. Buy yourself a house.
I gave you flowers, Rennie. I gave you flowers actually, and John gave you the celebratory. Is it? I don't even know what it's called right now, but yes, congratulations.
Thank you,
Who
guys.
was Mr. Beast?
Mr. Beast, please show yourself, eh? We'll give you
Mr.
spotlight.
Beast.
You can tell us, you can, clear my doubts. Mr. Beast is still hiding.
Mr.
So
Beast
on
doesn't want
this
to
note,
reveal.
guys, on this note, we would hand back over to our amazing, amazing host, John, to wrap up this session and end this with a banger song, right? A very nice song, so that we can already head into the weekend, because I know it's weekend. It's that
Yeah,
time.
funny thing is, when I was starting to learn data science in ALX, somebody just joined in the chat called Otachi. This is the person who taught me everything about Python. Wow, congrats. Welcome, Otachi.
Wow.
Ah, so nice to see the people who made sure I was aligned in ALX.
Oh, that's so nice.
Yeah. So thank you, Ray. You've really outdone our Missy. Missy had an internet issue, and also human had internet issues. So
John,
kindly, they would have topped.
John.
But you guys did great. I see Adebowale. Congratulations. Yes. Be proud
Yeah,
of yourself. You've made it this far. You've mastered those concepts.
Why do I feel
And
Otachi is Mr. Beast actually? Oh, Chego said he was human. Oh, can you imagine? But we
oh
actually
my
didn't even get
goodness.
to do it.
we were trained. So you guys, of
Yeah,
yourself, you've come this far, right? Probably had zero knowledge about Python, and now you are answering questions, right? You're just going through the quiz like pros, right?
can,
So
can you also ask Najoli about all he was part of those people? Because I really wonder. Najoli looks fishy.
maybe
No,
Najoli was Mr.
no,
Beast.
don't do
Okay. So on that note, let's move on. Let's move on.
Yeah,
Let's give everybody back their weekend. So do you
yeah.
have any?
We have one question. I told you guys to kindly send your questions to the Q&A section, and we have one question here. Where is it? Sometimes it's easier to learn when there's someone to guide you. Who do we connect with in Kenya for simplification of concepts that we do not understand, or when we encounter a hurdle? I think that is a question that probably I can answer because you've talked about Kenya. You can always look for a person called Najoli. If you go to any hub, you can always ask for Najoli, or you can always ask for Ashira. We will always be there to help you. Or you can look for any technical mentor or any moderator on eHub. Just DM them, send them a message, and someone is going to reach out to you. So don't you keep quiet with your questions. Don't you keep quiet with your problems. Yeah, but if you're from Kenya, you're around, we are always at the hubs. Maybe on weekdays, you can always find some people there. So kindly always reach out to your peers. And for all the other people who you may have similar questions, always reach out to people on eHub. If at all you have WhatsApp groups, reach out to your peers, and trust you me, it's going to help you. It's going to help you. You're going to have such games probably with your peers for Kahoots and all that. Yeah, and you can always reach to us kindly on eHub. Go to the spaces. We are always there to help you guys. We don't want you to be alone with your problems. So coming up next, do we have anybody else with any other questions? Kindly, we want people to get out of this place with clarifications and without any blockers regarding to Python. Any questions? Any questions? We have 3 seconds to see if we have anybody with a question. Does coding have specific format in terms of placement? That is great. I think that we are going to ask Human.
Very nice, John.
Sorry, can I get the question again, please?
Yeah, it's in the chat. Confidence is asking, does coding have a specific format in terms of placement?
I would like the question to be a bit more specific. What do you mean by does coding have a specific format in terms of placement? Are you referring to indentation or not? But yeah, just Python, pep 8. Yeah. So I just put it in the chat. So confidence, just search for Python pep 8 and it will tell you all the terms and conditions, all the requirements and how you go about Python. Yeah. So it depends. But yeah, generally Python do have specific formats. Yeah, best practices. Thank you, Naomi. So yeah, they do have specific format for in terms of placement. So I assume you're referring to indentation. Yes. If you don't get the indentation correct, your code will not run. So Python do have specific formatting in terms of placements. Yes.
Someone else is asking, is code challenge part of assessments? Yes, code challenges are part of assessment and you need to complete them. So yeah, code challenges are part of assessment. So kindly make sure you complete them. Yeah, any other questions? And with that, let's go to what's coming up so that we can wrap up. We already past time. Learning continues and you have 4 learning weeks left to complete Python. New learning content will be live on Monday. Advanced Python concepts. This week's assessment integrated project, understanding Margin Doggos agriculture code challenge will be due on Monday by 9:59. I think it's supposed to be on Tuesday 9:59. Yeah, and
Tuesday.
yes.
Yes, Tuesday.
Yeah, on Tuesday 9:59 p.m. So, and with that, keep coding, keep showing up in as much as you might at times not see the progress, in as much as at times you might be confused. Show up even in the confusion, show up even when you're tired, show up even when you don't feel like it. About coding, you just have to keep practicing and it's going to get better with day. So with that said, thank you for joining the session. See you on another day. And DJ, give us the last song as we wind up. Thank you guys, and make sure to fill in the poll. We really need to get your feedback on that. DJ.
I used to bite my tongue and hold my breath, scared to rock the boat and make a mess. So I said quietly, agreed politely. I guess that I forgot I had a choice. I let you push me past the breaking point. I stood for nothing, so I fell for everything. Held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, 'cause I've had enough. I see it all, I Now I'm floating like a butterfly, stinging like a bee. I earned my stripes. So I went from zero to my own hero. You held me down, but I got up, already brushing off the dust. You hear my voice, you hear that sound, like thunder gonna shake the ground. You held me down, but I got up. Get ready, cause I've had enough. I see it all, I see it now. I got the eye of the tiger, the fire, dancing through the fire. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar louder, louder than a lion. 'Cause I am a champion, and you're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar. You're gonna hear me roar.